Hey, what's up everybody? Check it out. Today I got these cool mirrors off of a 94 Mazda Miata. I'm going to be installing these on my 1990. Stick around guys. Gang gang. So what I did right here is I had just finished polishing them up. I used compound, polish, and then I waxed them. Check out how they came out. Almost brand new. So check this out. This is how they look installed. I put one on just to give you guys an idea. Now let's look at the side here. This is the stock one. It's kind of plain Jane, you know. So you're gonna want to just take that off. It's a little bit hard doing this one-handed, but it's pretty simple. All you do is turn that to the side, take off your two screws right there. Real simple. Anybody could do it. But check it out, guys. It's gonna look really cool. I can already wait till they're installed. This Miata's gonna look really nice. Alright, so I got the mirror off. This is from the NA1. This is from a 1990. These are from a 94. See how a lot nicer these are? Check them out. But the only thing is, look at that little lip there. I'm gonna have to grind that off here in a minute, make it flush, because check it out, these ones don't have that. Because this is for the power windows. My car doesn't have power windows, so when I got these, I just snipped the wire because I didn't care too much about that, you know. But yeah, I'm gonna go outside right now, grind this down, make it flush, and I'll put it on just like the other one. Very simple thing to do, guys. This is from NA2. Like I said, this is from a 94. These are from a 1990, red ones. Nice little upgrade, you know. What's cool about these is they still look like a little bit like stock, but custom, you know, and not stupid like weird mirrors or nothing like that. They actually fit good. They look nice. So I'm gonna take them outside right now, grind it down, and we'll see what it do. Stick around. Alright guys, so check it out. I sanded or grinded it down with the floppy disk there. So check it out, you can actually see how smooth that is, you know. I went a little overboard right there, missed. So there it goes. Like I said, I missed a little bit right here at the end, but it's all good, you can't see it at that side. So that's all ground down, all nice and smooth. So what I'm gonna do right now is go stick it on the Miata. It's real simple, it's just two screws. And it's kind of hard for me to film. My brother's not here and I don't know where the tripod's at, so I'm just doing it like that real quick. But yeah guys, stick around and we'll get it cracking. Alright, let me just tighten this up real quick. Real simple. Snug that down, go to the other side here, tighten that down, and we should be good to go here. Snap it in place. She's nice and secure, nice and snug. Check it out guys, there it is. So thank you for watching. Make sure to hit that like button, make sure to comment down below and subscribe. Catch you guys on the next video. Peace out.